How are you guys? I hope everyone is well. I hope everyone is safe. You guys, it is that time again. It's that time to spend some time with me, you guys. So if you're newer to my page, welcome. My name is Noreen, and if you guys have been with me or following me, I appreciate you guys so very much. So welcome, welcome, welcome. Don't forget, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You guys, we're going to be trying something completely different. So you guys, if you have been following me for a little bit, you'll see that I've been using a lot of launch products and a lot of launch tools. I actually wanted to try something completely different. So I've actually been using Monat products for a little bit of time. I've probably used them, I want to say, for about 5 years. So I do have a few products that I love and I can swear by. But this, you guys, actually, they do have a different wand. This is one of like their new ceramic ones that's got the white base. So we're gonna try this out, you guys. I've never used a tool from Monat. It's gonna be the first time I'm actually using a tool from them. So I'm super excited because I've seen so many gals use it and it looks amazing. So we're gonna try it out, you guys. Pardon me, we're gonna try it out. So this is how it comes. So this is the one that they just launched. I believe they had like a little bit of a launch a couple weeks ago. So this is the purchase from that. They actually came out with I forget what it was, you guys. It is a hair gloss. So I'm not sure the real size of it, you guys, only because it does kind of start off a little bit on the thinner side. So I would say this is probably like a 19 millimeter. And then this looks like it kind of ends up to the 32 millimeter. So again, you guys, it's actually really beautiful because it's white, which I've never owned a white tool. Usually I have like all pink or a blush. And so it goes up to 430 Fahrenheit. The lowest setting on this is 320 Fahrenheit. So it does say, it does have like a little bit of an instruction manual. So again, you guys, if you've ever heard of Monat or if you have any questions about Monat, please just drop it down in the comment section below. We're happy to answer any questions that you may have. But again, you guys, they are a vegan, cruelty-free company, and so a lot of their products that they have are vegan friendly. They have all natural ingredients in there, which is always good. So let's get going, you guys. Let's just do it super quick. We don't need to, you guys don't need to hear me chat all the time. I feel like I'm always chatting because I could talk all day. But let's get going. So I'm gonna plug the sucker in, so hang tight, you guys, and we'll get going. Alrighty, guys, so while that warms up, I'm going to basically just put a little bit of dry shampoo on my hair, you guys. This is, I want to say, day 2 hair. So I have had it basically in a bun for the most part because we're working from home. You guys can already tell my roots are really white, so we're gonna have to do that again. But you can tell I really have not styled my hair. It's been in a bun. I'm gonna take a little bit of dry shampoo. I'm just gonna spray the top. And I'm really not gonna blend that in to my hair. So this is, you guys, this dry shampoo is from Launch. It is the DEJA dry shampoo, and the reason why I like this one is because it goes on clear. Oh my gosh, you guys, you can see all my little whiteys, but it goes on clear, which I really like. Monat does have a really good dry shampoo as well too. I just don't have that, so we're gonna use what I got. But in the meantime, it looks like I'm shedding a little bit, but it looks like it's warm. And you guys, please don't try that at home. But we're gonna see how these turn out. So I just put a little bit of a heat shield. Again, that is also from Launch as well too, because those are the products I have right now, so that's what we're gonna use. And like I said, I did touch it and it does feel pretty warm. So I'm gonna see, and you guys, like I said, this is the first time I'm using a tool from Monat, so it'll be super interesting to see how it turns out. And I am leaving just a tiny smidge. Okay. All right, you guys. I've always loved like a super bouncy curl. So let's see how this turns out. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. I don't want to play with it because I know that we do want to make sure that it kind of stays a little bit. So again, I don't want to really play around with it. I'll just let it sit and settle and cool off, and then I'll maybe run my fingers through it, but let's see. So again, I've got a tiny smidge of hair that's still sticking out, like I haven't wrapped it all the way, but you guys, first impression, I am decently impressed. I am decently impressed. You guys, I've seen so many people just get beautiful curls out of this. So I was super excited to try something different, only because I do have a lot of Lange tools and I love them. Don't get me wrong, I love the tools. But I did want to try something different because, again, you guys, sometimes it's just nice to try something different. I also do have another tool that's coming in the mail, so I'm hoping I can share that with you guys as well too. But you guys, while you're just looking at me doing my hair, because you know, that's the real truth. The lip gloss that I'm wearing, you guys, is a Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss. It's called Pillow Talk, and I was a little hesitant to purchase the lip gloss only because I've never purchased any products from Charlotte Tilbury. So I was I was hesitant because I didn't know what to expect. Two, I've just never tried the product, so I didn't really know if I was gonna like it or not. But to be honest, this is a really good gloss. It lasts really, really long. To be quite frank, most lip glosses that I usually wear, by like, I want to say 30 minutes in, I feel like the gloss is already, doesn't even feel like it's there. I do feel like I do get quite a bit of hydration from this gloss, which is always a plus point. And it honestly lasted through dinner, so that's a good sign. That is a good sign. Okay. Let us, you guys, I am debating whether I want to go back to dark hair completely or if I want to maybe try like a different color on my ends because they're already bleached. I might as well do something different with it before I go all dark. Any recommendations, you guys, would be welcomed. Any recommendations would be welcomed. I do love it, but it's just really hard to maintain. It's really hard to maintain. I don't know if anyone has blonde hair or kind of like the hair color that I have at the bottom. I used purple shampoo. I'm trying to remember where it's from. I forget. But I just feel like it dries my ends out quite a bit, which I'm not the hugest fan of, but I know in general it does do that. So it does do that. Okay. I do love this so far, you guys. I do love the way the curls are turning. They are very, very fluffy, I want to say. And I love big old curls. Like, I honestly love 80s, 90s curls. Like, that is my jam. So I'm definitely feeling this wand quite a lot. You guys don't have to stick around for this. You can totally, we'll skip through all of this. You guys can watch the end part because I'm sure that's more fun than sitting and watching me just do the same old repetition back and forth. And you guys, also, you can take bigger chunks if you feel like you want a thicker curl look. But let's just fast forward this, guys. Let's fast forward. Alright, you guys, so it's basically, I think for the most part, you guys, the curls are really nice. It is ceramic coated, so again, my curls do feel really nice and soft. I know I put that heat shield on, but I do feel like the coating on this itself has really honestly given my hair a really nice shine. I do love how bouncy my hair feels. You guys, this is 2 days old, so again, it's not like my hair is fresh. I am going to just pop a tiny bit, I think, of kind of dry shampoo and just let it sit, and then we'll just let the curls sort of cool down and just really honestly just kind of work themselves. But for the most part, you guys, I really, and I keep looking this way because I have camera. The camera's in front of me. But I have a mirror. And like this would be so pretty with just a nice pin like this. Just really accentuating the curls right here. Like you guys can see how fluffy they look. They look amazing. And I really wish I had a bobby pin here, but I clearly do not. But like it feels really nice and bouncy. And my hair has got a really nice texture, a really nice feel to it as well too. So I think if you feel like you'd want to kind of give it a bit of a comb, I would wait. I mean, I have waited for a little bit. So you guys can tell, like, look at the curls. Like, so it's definitely a yay on my list of tools that I have loved and used. So I definitely do think this is one of my new faves, only because you guys, I love like big bouncy curls, but I think the reason why I like this a little bit more is because it's got that nice volume because of the thicker. So if you look at that, the thicker barrel is obviously at the bottom part, so you're gonna get that lift at the top versus the bottom, you're gonna get more curls. So that's why I think I like this quite well. But my hair does feel super soft. So I hope you guys like this. I know it was super quick. I didn't want to keep you guys here for too long because I'm doing the same thing over and over again. But I hope you guys liked it. And if you guys did love this video, or if you want to see more of hair tutorials or anything else, you guys, I would really appreciate the feedback. So please drop it in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up, you guys. And we'll